Do you ever feel like the fast-paced nature of work doesn't leave room for the deeper creative thinking that you crave? Like you're capturing information quickly, but you're missing out on the real sense-making. That's a common experience that I've had, and it's that desire for deeper thinking that led me to the world of visual thinking, where we do take the time to sketch out the ideas we're working with, to bring them together into a cohesive drawing or diagram that really helps you to make sense of those ideas. But that visual capture and that deeper thinking does take time. And you might not be able to work that way with every single idea that crosses your desk. That's the reason that I developed this model within the verbal to visual curriculum called the 4 tiers of capture. Sometimes you need efficient capture, where your only goal is to get it down quickly and likely just in words. If you've got a bit more time than that, you can shoot for effective capture, where you do make it visual, create some quick sketches. Those efficient and effective forms of capture can be one and done, but for that deeper level of thinking, you want to give yourself the time to go through an iterative process, which is what's needed if you're going to make it to the essence of that topic, where you boil those pieces down into a cohesive visual model. And if it's something that's really important, you might even shoot for elegance, where you find a way to make that model shine. Now, what this guy here is meant to communicate is that you don't have to reach those layers of essence and elegance for every single thing you work with. Sometimes speed is important, and just getting to that layer of efficiency is what you need to have your sights set on. But for other work, you'll be able to set your target at one of the other tiers of capture. Those areas of your work or personal life where you really want to do that deeper thinking that will help you get to the essence of what you're working with, so that you then know how to move forward. You know what to do with those ideas. And you've got a nice little visual artifact to carry with you. So, speed doesn't have to be your enemy. You will need it at times, but I encourage you to not let it be the only mode that you work in. Find opportunities where you can create the time and the space to work your way up to these higher tiers and shoot for essence and maybe even elegance. For more support on your visual thinking journey, I encourage you to join us within the Verbal to Visual curriculum, where you'll find on-demand, hand-sketched video lessons where I introduce models like this one, and where you can join us for weekly live events to connect with me and other visual thinkers from around the world, to see their interesting work, and to share with us your own. You can learn more by following the first link in the description down below. Thanks for watching.